sounds terrible. All right, the easy one's done.
I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do that.
Sheridan, you go first.
I gotta film people crashing.
All right, we'll follow him then. It's a bitch.
It is a bitch. I mean, it's 50-50 for me if I make it. I mean, I've done it a couple times and I failed a lot. So it's like,
My chance today is that I got a brand new tire that's good and it's dry and I know what I'm getting into. But
you know what's funny is, I made it up that on a 1982 Suzuki SP 125.
yeah, when?
In 1991.
Oh yeah, well you probably weighed like 140 pounds.
No, it's about 200 pounds.
Yeah.
You couldn't spin the tire. It's just like.
Yeah.
So just the first gear, hold it open till?
It's steep here and it goes into like a slot. And then it makes a sharp turn to the right. And then you go through this long uphill there too. Let it clear out a little bit first. Either I'm really good or the conditions are good.
Conditions are good.
Yeah.
You didn't ride it. The thing is, you get up in the mountain and do that stuff, you've gotten a little condition for that, so it's not.
Well, last time I was here, I was on this bike but I had the trials tire on it, and it was a little wet.
Yeah.
And it just wouldn't touch. I couldn't get up the first part.
Yeah, that first part, if you can get up that first part, then you can get up the second
You're
part.
right, you're right. But the toughest part is the end of the first part and the beginning of the second.
Yeah.
You're right, because yeah, if you can't get up that, you ain't getting up the rest of it.